Okay everybody, the first thing we're going to do for this install is go ahead and clear out our center cubbies and give them a wipe down and make sure we have a nice clean working surface. We're going to put our main bracket right up here to mark the hole locations for our 4 holes that we're going to have to drill inside the black plastic, and then use the supplied hardware to get that mounted onto the dash. Should be a pretty quick and easy install, so let's go ahead and get that started. Okay, let's go ahead and get this bracket in place. Our outside edge is going to follow the profile of your dash, with your tabs hitting right here and the top surface connecting here. So I'm going to start by lining up those bottom tabs and then sliding the top into place. When we're all done, we should have an even surface across here, and this should be sitting flat on the lip. Now that we have the bracket in place, we're going to go ahead and mark our 4 hole locations. And then we're going to go ahead and pull that bracket back out of the way. Now that we have those holes marked, we're going to grab our 3/8 drill bit and we're going to drill out our 4 mounting hole locations for the main bracket. Now that we have the holes drilled, we're going to take the supplied well nuts, put the black piece in the hole that we just drilled, mount the bracket over top of it, and then add the hardware. This well nut is going to collapse in on itself, squeezing onto the black plastic of your dash, and it's going to prevent it from cracking or crushing over time with the vibrations of your car. Now that we have the dash bracket in there, let's go ahead and talk about configurations real quick. As you can see, we've designed this center mount bracket to have compatible holes for any and every ram mount system that you can imagine. And it comes with a supplied fascia plate that lays over and screws directly onto the center dash mount. The idea behind this was the customer could come in and mark the holes that they need for their ram mount, drill it out, and have only the ones that they need accessible, giving a cleaner appearance for your center dash. The other option is doing a Lowrance bracket, so you can have the Lowrance Elite series mounted directly on top, nice and low and out of the way, but still right where you need to access it. Okay everybody, that takes care of the install on our KRX 1000 center dash mount. Again, we can see here that we're using the Lowrance Elite 7 GPS. Keeps it nice and low out of your field of vision while keeping it easily accessible while you're riding. This also has compatibility for the rugged radio bracket system, so any combination you might have, you can go on their website, pick up a bracket from them, and it'll fit right here on your center dash mount. These are coming in aluminum or black, and we hope to see your builds of them in the future.